Welcome to the Unhinged stories of law internship. So I have noted down. I will do everything. There was this one internship which literally sucked. ये अभी मत कर लेना because this case is after 1 month. Jasmine, cranberry. I never used computer. Welcome to the Unhinged stories of law internship. I'm pursuing my master's. I had done so many internships in my LLB years, like so many, मतलब इतना भी नहीं, around 6 to 7 internships which went around 2 months, 3 months, 1 month. Like we all speak about कि कितना अच्छा था internship, what all did we learn, networking क्या किया, फिर documentations, if litigation में है तो how you argue and etc. all those things. But we do not speak about the other part of the internship. I mean, we do not discuss those kind of things. So I'm here to speak about the unhinged part of law internships. So I have noted down some incidents during my internship which I thought that what the heck did I do? Like why did I do? And I guess you should be true to yourself. Okay, if some internships have sucked, be true, it sucked and they were of no help. The first story is, okay, so I had got my first internship in 2022. I mean, we are COVID batch. So I got when I was in second year of law and it was a district court thing. I went on for that internship for 5 months. I mean, I was so excited and I will do everything. It went on for 5 months straight. So what happened was, mudda kya hai, what happened was, I was so excited that I used to go from Monday to Sunday. And it's like this, it was very nearby, hardly 2 minutes, the office was. And I was the only person as an intern. There was no junior also, and sir had come. And usually he used to take clients on Sunday. मेरे को बुलाया गया. He's like, ma'am, आप computer start करना, we need some documents from this computer. Okay, this is a normal thing, very normal thing. But I never used computer. I was used to only laptop. So I do not know. I was so unaware of how the computer starts. I was acting as if I know. So I went near. मैंने सोचा we'll go near computer and do some यहाँ वहाँ हाथ लगाएंगे और बोलेंगे कि सर start नहीं हो रहा है. तो मेरे को बोला जाएगा कि अच्छा ठीक है फिर वैसा कर लो, check कर लो, ये कर लो. तो gradually understand कि ऐसे ऐसे start करना. I was like doing like sir on नहीं हो रहा है. He went through it and he's like, "Arey, you did not even start the button from the PC. How will the computer start?" Embarrassed freak. Second unhinged story. So in the same office, what happened once, I stayed up late till 11:30 p.m. So I used to take dictations and then draft. So that time I had to draft an objection certificate. Usually you get the format and then you just copy the format and then you alter. The format का जो laptop था वो बंद करके वो लोग चले गए थे and it used to have some password. And I'm like, what now? I am not aware of the format. So मेरे को टॉप टू बॉटम सब मेरे को ड्राफ्ट करना. आई डिड नॉट हैव दैट प्रैक्टिस ऑफ टाइपिंग फास्ट और मतलब कीबोर्ड को कभी इतना हाथ लगाया नहीं अदर देन जस्ट प्लेइंग विद द कीबोर्ड एंड एक्सेट्रा. आई वाज सो noob. But still I gave my best and I'm like, I'm typing, okay, I'm drafting. And later on they come and tell me that अरे कोई नहीं ये अभी मत कर लेना because this case is after 1 month. After 1 month. मतलब could have told before ये dictation ले ले लेकिन आराम से बना लेना objection certificate. Story 3. That time I wasn't serious for the internship because it was 3rd month of my internship over there only. मुझे जाना नहीं था उस दिन. I wanted to give some excuse but what will I give? It was Monday and बहुत भीड़ था. Like usually Mondays the office are flooded with clients in evening. Only 8 juniors and 3 of us interns. फायदा उठाया जाए. I went there and then I sat around where juniors sat and tried to read something and talk to the client. And when you look around and when you have shown your face to everyone, it's the right time. चुपके से बैग लिया and then you just escape. Luckily the juniors का जो पूरा केबिन होता था वो अलग था और entry point was the opposite and बीच में था सर का office. So it's like you go, you meet and then you go out. This is story number 4. So this internship was like the most privileged internship. I won't name it. बहुत privileged था. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई हर एक privilege का फ़ायदा उठाया जाए. A very big chamber and I was the only intern. And usually उस chamber में ना बहुत काम नहीं होता था. It's only reading. Like he gives you case and you just need to read and make notes. And the main thing was they had a pantry. Like खाना पीना मिलेगा. They had one of the best flavorful green teas. They were so fancy. Like other than अपना जो Lipton या Tetley का जो मिलता है ginger अदरक etc. वो छोड़ के तो I had never seen or drank any green tea. तो बोले ये jasmine, cranberry, वो क्या blue tea, blue ब्लू कलर का कुछ फ्लावर आता है, हिमालयन खावा, something like that. What I used to do is, when everyone used to go to their work, I used to get to read ना, तो go to the pantry, hot water डालो, जो मन में अच्छा लगे वो green tea लेके, and then go and have that, and then read. I'm like yeah, वैसा कुछ था. तो मैंने लास्ट वीक तक मेरे को इतना ऑब्सेशन हो गया वो एक महीने में. I'm just sharing. मैंने थोड़े पैकेट्स उठा लिए, बैग में डाले, एंड आई वेंट ऑफ. द लास्ट डे मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि ये घर में भी तो थोड़ा कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए जो टेस्ट बेटर ना. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ऑल थिंग्स आई डिड लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, हाउ हाई प्रोफाइल केसेस आर हैंडल्ड एंड व्हाट इट रियली टेक्स टू फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ दैट केसेस. मतलब नींद तो भूल ही जाओ तुम लोग. एंड आई वाज एन इंटर्न सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट टू गो होम अर्ली, बट अदर्स यूज्ड टू जस्ट स्टे अप and doing the work. I'm like, okay, this is what you need to do. Story number 5. Okay, so there was this one internship which literally sucked, like literally sucked from top to bottom. I hated every part of it. I used to see कितने दिन बाकी है from day third. Okay, third day से मेरे को ये लगा कि ये मेरे से मतलब यहाँ पे मेरे को ना वाइब अच्छा है ना environment अच्छा है. अब एक महीना है ही तो it's like let's see the bright side. So what did I do? I used that opportunity to explore the local area. मतलब उसके आजू बाजू का एरिया देखो. वो मुंबई की बात है. आई मीन सो आई स्टार्टेड ऑब्जर्विंग. सो आई थॉट लेट्स गो टू कोलाबा वंस, लेट्स गो टू जहांगीर आर्ट गैलरी, लेट्स गो टू वंस काला घोड़ा जाए, या फिर कोर्ट के इर्द गिर्द है वो, या फिर सो आई एक्सप्लोर्ड फूड, local food. जो BSc है near the Bombay High Court, below there are a lot of stalls and etc. So I explored those. Like for intern, if you have a diary na, they won't ask you anything. Literally I used to leave at 4:30 PM means backpack, घर चले जाओ. Story number 6. It was in a company. It was a private limited company. So I was interning in the GST. I mean, दिमाग को आदत है complicated चीज़ें पढ़ने की, समझने की, interpret करने की, and also finding a solution through that. I mean, great. I mean, my brain was trained that like I went for 2 months and I liked it. Okay, so what is the main part that I did in this internship was, तो हमें ना mood court diary और internship diary बनानी होती है. For that you need A4 size, like there were 300 pages and you have to draw margin for every 300 pages. I bought all those 300 pages and it's a company, so they have big printers. I took the papers and I set to one margin, put it for the print for the rest of the all 250 pages. Yeah, 250 pages का print. Cost saving, time saving, physical effort saving. Like many of us might have more weirder, scarier and funnier stories like this. Like in case if you relate and this video reaches to you, you can just tell what are your stories. Thank you.